From the Linmar Technology and Communications Center, we are LMTV, Linmar Television. A total look at everything happening on your Linmar campus. Linmar, your news starts now.
Good morning, Linmar.
It's Wednesday, December 15th, 2010.
Here's a look at the stories making news on your Linmar campus. Our top story. Contest speech registration will be finalized this week. All groups, including TV, radio, and short film, must see Mrs. Fry before the end of the week, or you will not be registered to go to contest. This includes both varsity and freshman teams. If you have not started rehearsals with either Mr. or Mrs. Fry, you must get those started to attend contest. The end of the semester is coming up fast. Remember to get all your overdue books back to the Media Center before you leave for break. We will be back with more LMTV news right after this.
Attention all clubs. With over 1,700 people, getting everyone to know about your club can be a big task. But look no further, because LMTV can get your information out there. Talk to Mr. Fry and find out how you can get your club on the LMTV broadcast. With the help of LMTV, your club will have all the people it needs. So go to the LMTV studios today.
Welcome back. There will be an informational meeting about AP Government tomorrow morning at 8 in room E133. Anyone who has signed up to take this course next semester is required to attend. Pick up your yearbooks before break. If you haven't picked up your 2009-2010 yearbooks, you need to get it this week. Pick them up from Mrs. Hagan. She's in the office in the study mall from 8 to 3:30 p.m. Now Gavin takes a look at this morning's sports.
On the scoreboard, in boys basketball, Linmar beat Cedar Falls 66-61. The sophomores also won 70-34. The girls won in a big way over Cedar Falls, 57-11. The sophomores also won 73-28. In other sports news, any girls thinking about or planning to go out for soccer should sign up now in the athletic office. Keep here to LMTV for details on preseason meetings in January. Meanwhile, indoor girls soccer teams for the second session at Sports Zone are now been formed. Talk to Mrs. Hanson in the athletic office to find out more. The sign-up deadline is next Tuesday. That's sports. Back to you.
Thanks, Gavin. In news from the counselors, today is the deadline to turn in your paperwork if you are planning to do a job shadow. Questions? See Ms. Zigdema. If you are taking a college course through Kirkwood this semester, you must return your books to the counseling office as soon as you are finished with your class. The counselors are trying to have them ready to send back by this Friday. For details, stop by the counseling office or check out their website. Now Sarah joins us with the arts and clubs.
On the Linmar Arts and Club scene, seniors, you have only 6 school days to get your senior photo turned into the yearbook staff. The yearbook staff will not be accepting photos after December 22nd. If you don't submit a photo, you will not be pictured in that section. Get your pictures in now. Your student council is sponsoring Ugly or Funny Holiday Sweater Day this Friday. Come dressed in your sweater and you might win a prize. Come to the 4 corners before school to enter the contest. Mr. Garrels and Mrs. Olinger have volunteered to be our judges. Happy holidays. Attention Tri students that signed up for Lean on Me. Your rosters and sponsors will be posted outside of Mr. McCauley's office before holiday break. The presentations will begin in January. Any questions? See Mr. McCauley. The Spectrum campaign for Christmas continues. Bring in some canned goods for those less fortunate. That's your club update, Kimmy. Back to you.
Thanks, Sarah. This Friday's Fast to End World Hunger has been canceled. Now Gavin joins us with today's lunch.
It's a fish sandwich with potato wedges and peaches. The other lines will feature the hamburger bar, stuffed crust pizza, or chef salads. The food court opens the pasta bar. That's lunch. Back to you.
If you like snow, you'll love the forecast. It calls for 2 inches of snow this afternoon with a high of 20. Tonight, 2 more inches of snow with a low of 17. And tomorrow, another ½ inch of snow with a high of 23. That wraps up today's edition of LMTV News.
Remember, LMTV is always available online. Just go to the high school website.
For the entire cast and crew, thanks for watching.
Join us again tomorrow and make it a great day.